Hello everyone. This application is all about product quality check for partial quantity. This Odoo application have provided an option to pass the quality check for partial quantity. In many industry they follow the process of whenever they receive the product from the vendor or the manufacturing, after quality check has been completed, then the good condition product are moved to the stock and the bad condition product or the remaining will move to the rejection location. After the quality check, the goods will be sent back to the vendor or rework order or they can be scrapped. This is for Odoo 17 Enterprise version and now I will show how this application will be working. After installing this app, first we need to go to the quality module. Here we need to go to the quality control and click on control points. So here you will be able to create a new control points for the any of the products. So right now I'm selecting the product pedal bin and here I'm giving the product category, and if there is any title for this particular product you can mention the same title. So now I'm mentioning as pedal bin, and here you can select the operation. So here we have a receipt and internal transfer and delivery order. Since it's for receipts I'm giving as receipts, and who is responsible for this particular quality control points you can mention the name, and control per you can select the product or operation or the quantity. So based on that the control point will be taking up, and the control frequency. So what will be the frequency, whether it is all or randomly or periodically. Now I'm selecting as all. And the type, you have instruction take a picture or measure, or you can, if you want any more type you can just mention it. Now I'm selecting as pass or fail. And the team, so here I'm mentioning the team as main quality team, who is responsible for doing this quality control point. And if there is any instruction you can mention the instruction in this tab, and if there is any message in case of any failure you can mention the messages here. And if there is any notes for this particular quality control point you can just mention the notes here, and I will save this. After saving this quality control point, here the sequence will be generated and this will be created. And after this is created I will go back to the purchase module, and here I'll be creating a new RFQ for the same product which we have created the quality control point. So I'll be selecting the vendor and I'll be selecting the product as pedal bin, and here I'll be giving the quantity as 10. And after giving that you will be able to see the unit price, taxes and all the information will be updated, and I will click on confirm button. After confirming, the RFQ will be converted into purchase order and a receipt will be generated. Clicking on receipt, you will be able to see a new button called quality checks. So after doing this quality checks, then only we can validate this receipt. So now I will click on quality check button. So here this pop wizard will be opening up with the product name and the partial quantity. So I will tick on this particular boolean. After ticking, you will be able to see the pass quantity and the fail quantity. So if you have any past quantity, how much is passed right now while doing the receipt, you can mention. And if there is any failure, you can mention the failure. And if there is any quantity chuck notes, you can just mention the note also in this wizard. So now I have mentioned the test product and the pass quantity as 5 and the fail quantity as 5, and I have filled this. And if it is free pass, you can just click on pass button. If it is fail, you can click on fail button. So now I'll click on pass. So once this is passed, you will be able to see it is in ready state, and here the quality checks which is created for that particular product. And if I come back, you will be able to see this will be created, and I'll click on validate. So here it will move to the done state. And again, I will go back to the quality control sheet, and here I'll click on reporting, and here you can see there is a quality check report. So this is a report where you will be able to see all the information of that particular quality control points. So the quality doc number and the operation doc number with the product, and how much is the pass quantity, how much is the fail quantity, and the quantity check date. So when did this particular quality product has been checked, you can mention, and the responsible who is responsible for this quality check and what is the reason. So all this information will be updated automatically when that particular quality check has been updated, and this quality check report have all these information. And if that particular has been failed, then all the information will be also mentioned here based on the fail quantity. So this is regarding the product quality check for partial quantity. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.